Hi, Peter Watson here, and today I'm just going to speak a little bit about my new project. I'm a student with Computeach International, and I've been training to be a web designer for just over a year now. So what I'm going to show you here is a project that I'm doing, which is a portfolio to present to Computeach for assessment of skills, and hopefully I'll pass and meet the criteria. So I'm going to explain a little bit about what we have here, and we will go from there. Okay, right, so this is my HTML5 document, and I'll just explain quickly a little bit about this. So you have your doc type declaration here, stating that it's HTML5. So this doc type HTML, that means it's HTML5. The language, English. Title, the encoding, my style sheet. This here is to allow the website to be responsive for mobile devices, so your iPhones, your iPads. This here is some parameters for my canvas. This is referencing the canvas here. This is my navigation for the website, and just a bunch of div tags and classes. So this is main content, the header, so it's my header section of the article, so article there. And then in a paragraph, so you've got your paragraph tags here. This is my article, and some other articles here. And then as I come down, these are my sidebars, which will have greatly but did you know, so did you know, whatever the topic is, did you know. Okay, and then my footer. So this is my HTML5 document. I'm not going to go too much into it. Okay, so what then? So in order to have a stunning website, you need to style it. So that's where CSS comes in this case CSS3. Okay, I'm not going to babble on about this because it is very complex, but basically all it is, you're styling this. So HTML5 is the markup language, and you have to style each individual element of the document. So that's what CSS does. So you come in here and you reference each part of the HTML5 document and add in the styling parameters. So in this case, main header. Come down here, and another one, for example, would be, let me check here, what's this now? Okay, so yeah, navigation, main header navigation, main content, top content, bottom content, top sidebar, middle sidebar, bottom sidebar. And the footer, so that's obviously the bottom of the page, and then media queries here, which is a bunch of parameters for mobile devices, and basically this just makes the website responsive for mobile devices, so like your iPads and your iPhones, etc. So basically just devices with a smaller resolution of screen than your standard laptop or desktop PC. So these parameters allow the content of the HTML5 elements to be displayed by different devices. Okay, so there we go. And then my JavaScript file. This is the parameters that allows the canvas element, which I'll refer to that again, This here is my canvas element. Okay, these are the parameters for my canvas. This here is referencing the canvas element in the HTML5 document, and then basically these parameters here actually draw the text to the canvas. So these are JavaScript commands that actually make the canvas function. Okay, great. So anyway, show you the fun stuff. So I will run my HTML5 document. I will launch it in Firefox. There we go. Okay, so this is the project that I've been working on. So here, this is my canvas, the one that I was referring to. The text here is put on screen, onto the canvas via JavaScript and navigation. Now these actually don't work at the moment because I've not coded that to work. This is just one page, okay, but this is my navigation. My top content, which is here. My bottom content, which is here. And my sidebars, which are here. I am yet to add further functionality and content to this page. This is a work in progress. So in the canvas here, I'm going to eventually end up having images featured behind the text or on the actual canvas. So something highlighting tropical scenery. And the background I'll be changing, which is here, this is your background. So there we go. This is my project so far. Hope you like it. Just to show you one quick thing here, when I was talking about a responsive website, so if I just scroll down a bit. Okay, so as you can see, as I make this browser smaller, you can see that the text and it's all moving. Okay, so this basically means it's responsive. So the smaller the screen resolution, the content of the actual website responds. Resize it, goes back to normal. Now, in terms of my other website, if I do the same, you will see that when I narrow the browser, the content is not responsive. It doesn't respond in any way. So this is an unresponsive website. This is a responsive website. So what I mean is responding to different resolutions and different devices, so i.e. iPads and iPhones. Okay, so there we go. Thank you very much. Hope you like my project so far. It is a work in progress. This is not the final product. So yeah, thank you. Okay, bye bye now.